दोस्तों आगे बढ़ते हुए लेट्स टॉक अबाउट Xiaomi एंड Xiaomi ने यहाँ पे अभी शोकेस किया Xiaomi द कॉन्सेप्ट वाज बेसिकली फोन कार एंड होम. So a combination of these things, that how technology kind of blends together and everything is powered by the Xiaomi's Hyper OS. Speaking of phone, हमको मिलती है Xiaomi की 14 series. It has the Xiaomi 14 as a base variant. Quite interesting smartphone, packing all the latest hardware. But the star of the show was the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. This phone comes with cutting-edge Leica optics, amazing set of hardware, is like a proper camera smartphone, packing everything possible. और यहाँ पे कैमरा ग्रिप भी है to give you this comfortable professional grip to make sure कि जो भी आप फोटोज ले रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से आप कैप्चर कर पाएं. तो ये Xiaomi का 14 Ultra है, ये भी हमने देखा and feels like a flagship phone, but the problem is that Xiaomi is not able to sell their premium phones in India in big numbers. हमने देखा in the past the acceptance for Xiaomi in India is really low. You know the obvious reasons that beyond a certain price point, people in India prefer Apple, they prefer Samsung, they prefer OnePlus, they prefer Google. Xiaomi is not really up there in terms of choices, but Ultra ये phone launch तो हुआ है. इंडिया में I doubt that we'd see this. लेकिन Xiaomi ने एक और चीज दिखाई हमको and it was the Xiaomi car. Honestly speaking, it was more of a blend between a Porsche, a Tesla and a McLaren. Feels like these Chinese brands sometimes when they kind of get inspiration, or I would say too much inspiration, and just implement their ideas into reality. While I was in China, some time ago, मैंने देखा बहुत बार कि the car looks like a BMW, but it's not really a BMW. The car looks like a Range Rover, but it's not a Range Rover. Something similar happened here because the headlights of this Xiaomi car called the SU7 Pro looks like a McLaren 720S. But oh no, it's not a McLaren. The profile looks like a Tesla. No, but it's not a Tesla. From the back, it looks like the Porsche, but it's not a Porsche. It's kind of a mix of all these three things together. But ये जो Xiaomi की कार है, ये भी Xiaomi ने showcase किया, and they have a big vision of being in the top 5 of the global automobile manufacturers. But future बताएगा कि क्या होने वाला है with this Xiaomi car. I don't think this car is going to come to India, but who knows what's going to happen in the future.